Hey guys, so me and Rissa here, we decided to come get Urth Cafe because she said she had never been here, but that was a lie.
What happened
she forgot, she thought it was a different place, but that's fine.
It's okay. It's fine.
So we just wanted to take you guys along and we might look at the little antique shop.
I'm so excited.
Okay guys, so Orin, it's really cute. It's like a really cute little town. It's just so cute. Like look at this little outdoor place right here. It's cute. This is Urth. The line is always so long. Should I get a menu? So I decided what I'm gonna get, which is the Panini El Diablo. Delicious, this one. I know I'm like, make it look like my hand because she has her nails done and I don't.
How you doing? I might get the roasted turkey.
That sounds good too. I've been curious about that one. Ooh, look, they have an acai bowl. Delish. Avocado toast. They have so much. Let's look at all the little desserts. All so delicious. I want to eat everything. So we just sat down right now and I'm trying to not be shy with vlogging because I haven't done it in a little while. But it's funny because there's these girls sitting next to us, but they're like outside and it seems like they're sitting next to us, so it's kind of weird. Here's Riz.
How you doing?
But anyways, we're waiting for our food. We're number 65. All the juicy details that you guys want to know. Cheers. Hey guys, so I just got mine and you cannot tell me this does not look delicious. I'm about to eat it all. Rissa got her little turkey panini. Yes. It looks so good. So we're about to eat this right now. Here's a fit check.
It's so cute.
Okay, so we came into this little vintage store.
I'm gonna be very upset if I have anything of these.
Then you're antique. You're considered antique. Chris, I think I saw those glasses in your room the other day.
I knew it. You're gonna live your best life because that's all that freaking matters.
Yes, ma'am. So we're going to this little coffee shop. And I haven't had coffee so long. It's cute in here. I want this in my house because I think it's so cute.
Place is fun.
Which one did you get?
It's the
It's the YouTuber for me.
It is the Thai pumpkin spice.
Thai pumpkin spice. It's very like orange. Like,
should I do like the YouTubers that were like?
That's what I was saying.
I'm dead.
She's the YouTuber with the the hand behind the Spanish latte with oat milk.
Oh,
Good.
yeah.
Darlene Estrada, you said this place was not good.
What was the reason?
Honestly, delicious. So we're going to this little antique store, but look, they decorated. They decorated for... Shut up, look at those cups. Oh my, what is that? I don't even know what it is, but
bowling pin Santa.
Is it? I want it. I want it. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna like literally spend $1 million. I want it all. That's it, I want it all. Like a throw blanket? Yeah. Look at this. Cute. Is she cute? Yeah, she's I don't have like anything red. It's weird, it's screaming Christmas. Look at these salt and pepper shakers. You gotta be kidding me. They're so cute.
It's so cute.
It's very interesting, but like it's kind of like a need, not even a want. She said bowling pins. I can't.
I mean,
you never know.
look at this.
That one's pretty. That's so cute.
It's so sweet.
I can't with the hat. If it was like maybe 2 inches shorter, I think I would have loved it. How cute. I'm obsessed with this chair, but it's like, what am I gonna use it for? Actually, I could put a plant on the chair. And that would look really cute. It was 75 and now it's 50. And I just think it's so cute. A little Christmas tree. Oh my gosh. Jeffrey's gonna kill me. But what about the little stool behind you? That's kind of a little bit better. Look at this little stool here.
That would be super cute.
Or the little Christmas tree. It's so cute.
Is it super cute?
It's giving all the rustic vibes and more. I kind of love it.
Like, you're coming home with me.
You're coming home with me. Holy. That little chair is $149.
Hell.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
$10.
It's a whole little set. Look at the little truck.
And this is tank.
Oh my gosh. I like this little, that drawing is really cute. I kind of love the chair idea, but I just want to see what this looks like. The chair.
I kind of like this because it's a small little like corner piece that you can fit in, and if you have like a little patio, you put on the little counter.
I feel like the chair is a little bit more vibey.
Yeah.
Okay, Rissa said the elf, like, what is it?
I said, like, I'm so done with this shit.
I'm over this place.
He's like, I've had a rough week.
He's so cute though. Dude, I can't with the hump. Is this Humpty Dumpty? Wait. Come back. I can't be here alone. Why are they all giving side eye? Like, look. Side eye. Side eye. Side eye. He's just living his life. Children used to play with like these toys.
If that shit were to look at me different, I swear I'm running.
That one's angry. Look at this one.
It's like, dolls. Look at this. That's me right now, okay?
Like, I'm getting out of here.
I ain't trying to play with you.
Trying to decide if I need this. It's a little, she's cute. Go. So it's only $7.99. It's cute. But do I get it?
Shocked. $7.99. That's a steal.
That's a steal. You're coming home with me.
Look, you got the.
No, look at the cheeks.
No.
Look at the cheek. What is that even? As near as I can tell, we're somewhere behind Mount Rushmore.
I'm so dead.
I'm crying. Our toxic trait is that we think we could paint this because I was like, look how cute this is, but it's $80. And then Rissa said, but, and then I said we could paint it, and she said yes.
Yeah, we have Bob Rossmo. It's okay.
It's just every corner I turn to, like, is my dream come true.
There's more outside.
I'm scared. I'm so scared right now. Oh my gosh, you're kidding me.
I'm actually really happy right now.
This is wild. I'm like, this couch is kind of nice.
Is she a little
She's a moment.
She is.
She's cute though. No, this is like too much right now. Look how cute. I'm seriously, every inch of this place is like giving my entire everything and more. She is me right now. I am her. We are one. This is how happy I am.
She wants a fit.
Look how cute this is. It's a little cookie jar. You're kidding. How cute. I actually really like this snowman.
It's actually super cute.
It's honestly really cute. That's $20. The mirror.
That's $20 for the mirror.
Is that cute? Is that a vibe? How much is this here? Because I really like it. Can someone actually sit on it?
Fudge knuckles.
What do you think? 20. Let's just say 20.
25 tops.
Okay, fine.
Oh.
22. You're kidding. You are kidding.
You're coming on with
You're almost there. Can you sit on it? I just want to see if someone's like able to sit.
Oh, my nuggets. It's cute though. I'm so scared that I like to really put my full weight in it.
Does it feel like wobbly?
No, it's not wobbly, but like the wood pieces are like on your beak cheeks. I kind of love it.
I kind of love it. Okay, we found this little corner which has a lot of cute things, but it's like very expensive. These benches are so cute, but they're $150. This little thing is like my dream. It is so cute. Yeah, that is like vibes to the max.
You know.
You're a real one. Thanks. This is the real MVP right now for Gary.
Got you.
But I'm honestly obsessed. So we're gonna have to try to fit it in my car right now. Sis, thanks for coming with me on my little adventure. We got we put the chair back here, so I'll have to show you how it turns out. We have to do this again.
Yes, we do.
Bye.